Imagine building a small online tool once and then getting paid every single month without constantly trading your time for money. That's the idea behind Micro SaaS, which stands for Small Software as a Service Businesses. And when you combine it with AI in 2025, you don't need to be a professional coder or a Silicon Valley genius. All you need is an idea, the right tools, and a bit of execution to start creating something that solves a problem for a specific group of people. Think of it like running a digital vending machine. You build it, put it online, and people who need it pay you to use it month after month. Instead of spending months building a massive software company, you can create a focused, lightweight tool powered by AI that targets a small niche market, and that's enough to start making hundreds or even thousands of dollars in recurring income. Let's break down how this works in simple terms. First, Micro SaaS is different from big tech companies because it focuses on solving a single pain point. For example, instead of creating an entire design platform like Canva, you could build a small AI-powered logo maker that instantly creates branded logos for niche businesses like coffee shops, fitness trainers, or online coaches. These users don't want to spend hours learning complicated design tools. They just want something quick and affordable. By narrowing your focus, you cut down the work required and reduce competition. When you layer AI on top, you can create something even more powerful because the AI does most of the heavy lifting. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, or other APIs allow you to process text, generate images, summarize data, or even automate entire workflows without you writing complex code. The second important piece is understanding where the money comes from. SaaS works on subscriptions. Instead of getting paid once, customers pay you monthly or yearly to keep using the tool. Even if you start with just 50 paying customers at $10 a month, that's $500 every month in recurring revenue. Scale that up to 200 or 300 users, and you're already at a few $1,000s. This is why Micro SaaS is so attractive compared to freelancing or one-time sales. You build once and earn repeatedly. And since these tools are small and specific, your costs are low, meaning your profit margins are high. Now let's talk about how to actually build one without being a programmer. In 2025, you don't need to code everything from scratch. There are no-code platforms like Bubble, Glide, Softer, or TypeDream that allow you to drag and drop elements to create apps and websites. Then you can connect AI models through APIs like OpenAI's API or other services to make the tool intelligent. For example, imagine you want to create an AI resume generator for job seekers. You could use Bubble to build the web app, connect OpenAI to process and improve resumes, and then charge users $5 to $15 per month to generate unlimited resumes or cover letters. Another example could be a social media caption generator for small businesses. Many businesses struggle with writing engaging posts, so you could build a Micro SaaS that connects to ChatGPT, generates captions based on keywords, and maybe even schedules them automatically. The key is to identify a pain point. The best Micro SaaS ideas come from very specific niches. Instead of going broad, go narrow. Ask yourself, what do real people struggle with every day that could be solved by automation or AI? For example, real estate agents need property descriptions, e-commerce sellers need product titles and bullet points, teachers need lesson plan ideas, podcasters need episode summaries. Each of these can be turned into a simple AI-powered tool. And because you're focusing on one niche, you can market directly to them instead of competing with giant companies. Another smart angle is to look at boring but necessary tasks. People will always pay for convenience and time savings. Think of invoice generators, email template writers, meeting note summarizers, or AI tools that analyze customer feedback. None of these are flashy, but they save people time and money, and that's what makes them profitable. For instance, an AI transcription tool that focuses only on YouTubers could automatically generate transcripts, video summaries, and SEO-optimized descriptions. Even if just a few hundred YouTubers subscribe, that's a strong recurring income stream. Once you have your idea, the next step is to validate it before building. Don't spend weeks creating a tool without knowing if anyone will pay for it. You can test by creating a simple landing page with a description of what the tool will do and a sign-up form. Share this page in communities like Reddit, Facebook groups, LinkedIn, or Twitter. If people start signing up or asking questions, that's proof there's interest. You can even collect emails and later launch the actual product to that list. This way, you don't waste time building something nobody wants. When it comes to marketing, remember that you don't need a massive budget. Micro SaaS works best with organic marketing and targeted outreach. Instead of spending thousands on ads, go directly to the communities where your ideal users hang out. If your tool is for Shopify store owners, you join Shopify groups, comment on forums, and create short TikTok or YouTube tutorials showing how your tool solves their problem. If your tool helps coaches, you connect with them on LinkedIn and send personalized demos. Small, targeted efforts often work better than trying to go viral. Another smart move is to offer free trials or a freemium version. People love trying before they buy. You can allow free limited access and then encourage users to upgrade for premium features. For example, your resume builder could let people generate one free resume, but charge for unlimited downloads or advanced templates. Once someone sees the value, it becomes much easier for them to justify paying. The beauty of this model is that you don't need a huge number of customers to succeed. Even 100 loyal subscribers can provide a strong income base. And because SaaS is subscription-based, you have predictable revenue every month. As long as you keep improving your tool and providing value, customers will stick around. Let's look at a few trending niches in 2025 that are perfect for AI-powered micro SaaS. Education is a big one. Teachers, tutors, and students are always looking for study aids, quiz generators, or learning tools. Another is content creation. From YouTubers to bloggers to social media managers, everyone needs AI help with writing, editing, and repurposing content. E-commerce is also huge, with sellers constantly needing product descriptions, ad copy, and analytics. Health and fitness is another growing space, where coaches and nutritionists need automated client check-ins or personalized meal plan generators. Each of these niches has endless opportunities for micro SaaS tools. Of course, the biggest challenge is actually starting. Many people get stuck thinking they need to be perfect before launching. But the truth is, you can start small and improve over time. Your first version doesn't need to have every feature. It just needs to solve the core problem. Remember, customers don't care about how fancy your app looks. They care about whether it helps them. Launch a simple version, get feedback, and then add improvements based on what real users want. You might also wonder, what about competition? Won't big companies crush small tools? The answer is not really. Big companies focus on mass markets, while micro SaaS thrives in small, specific niches that are too small for big players to care about. That's why niching down is your advantage. If you try to build the next Canva, you'll fail. But if you build an AI Canva alternative just for fitness coaches to design workout templates, you can win that market because you understand their specific needs better. Over time, you can expand. Many micro SaaS founders start with one niche tool and then add more related tools, turning it into a suite of products. That way, you can cross-sell to your existing customers and increase your revenue. Imagine starting with an AI caption generator for coaches, then later adding an AI email writer and a content scheduler. Now you're providing multiple solutions and building deeper relationships with your users. The last piece of advice is to think long-term. A micro SaaS is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes effort in the beginning to build and market it. But once it's running, it becomes a semi-passive income stream. You'll still need to maintain it, fix bugs, and update features. But the workload is far less than freelancing or active business models. The more you automate with AI, the less you'll need to manage manually. And once you have one successful tool, you can repeat the process with another, stacking multiple income streams. So if you've been looking for a way to use AI to earn online, micro SaaS might be the perfect model. It combines the scalability of software with the accessibility of no-code and AI tools. You don't need to show your face, you don't need to hire a big team, and you don't need huge startup money. All you need is to spot a problem, create a simple AI-powered solution, and charge people to use it. The earlier you start, the bigger advantage you'll have, because more people will catch on to this in the coming years. The internet is full of micro problems waiting to be solved. If you can build even one AI-powered solution for the right group of people, you could have your own small but powerful SaaS business generating recurring income every single month.